We're going to switch it up now from Uber to Lyft.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, I don't know what to say to this, bro.
All right. So I know people have been seeing this in their apps, and if you don't have this yet, this is something that's kind of new on the Lyft side of things. So you're going to start seeing these little sections. You got to go in your map too. So like you got to go in it and then see wait times or whatever it is. I can't remember exactly what it's termed, but you're going to get these little squares that pop up in your city, like what you see right now. And if you zoom out, you're not going to really see anything. But if you zoom in, you're going to see this little clock. And then if you zoom in far enough, like you see right next to me, you're going to see the time. And this is essentially how long it's been since drivers in that area have averaged a pickup from when they were able to pick up. So you can see 1 to 3 minutes, 2 to 6 minutes. And then I think it was, what was it? I think it was 5+ or something for the red.
The red is 5 to 8, I think.
Yeah.
But so, what good is this, by the way? What does this do?
You know what this is doing? This is spreading out drivers without search.
Oh, okay.
In my opinion, I mean, what else is it going to do? It's just going to tell, like, I mean,
I agree with Breeze C. He goes, "This map is garbage." Whatever. I got it on my phone. I took a screenshot, sent it to Chris. I go, "What is this?"
I have it as well. I mean, I don't know if everybody has something like this or if this is more in cities, only because, you know, if you're in a more a smaller city or rural area, you're going to have pickups when you get pickups.
Whatever. Yeah. So here you go. Here you go. Yeah. Bravo, Lyft. You did something. Okay. Whatever.
But the only thing I could possibly think of why they would do this is if you're in one of those red zones, you want to go to where it's a green zone. So
let me explain something to you, Chris. I live in buddy. I live in LA. Okay. That red zone that you're seeing is Beverly freaking Hills, right under it. You can see it, Beverly Hills. Yep. Okay. There's not a goddamn chance you're going to wait 6 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes for a trip in Beverly Hills. There are people flying all over the place there. Okay. And the other one, the red one, is in Glendale, which is like busy as shit. So I don't know what this map is thinking, but their data is incorrect. They didn't consult me before they put this shit in. Like Beverly Hills and Glendale, the two busiest goddamn places in LA, bro. It's bullshit. Whatever. Yeah.
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what they're going to be doing there or
what. My backyard. It's my backyard. I should know LA. This is LA. Yeah, there you go. So I mean, if you put this like up in the mountains above me, red, I get it because there's no homes.
Here, let me see my. I took a screenshot and I forgot to put this. Oh no, here it is. Okay,
we don't call them the A word, bear claws. We'll call them Formica.
All right, so this is my screenshot right here in my area, which everything's all green, so
all busy, all good.
It's all busy, it's all good. But the only thing I could think of why they're actually doing those screenshots is because that they're trying to move drivers around. So if you're in that red zone and you're like, oh crap, it's going to take me time to get that ride, then I'm going to drive to another. But you're going to get a ride. Sit there.
Who gives a shit if you're cherry picking anyway?
Yeah,
who cares?
Exactly. Plus, here's a big tip: if you're not doing this already, do not drive to your next ride.
Yeah.
Don't drive aimlessly until you get a ping request. You can sit there, go around the corner after you drop somebody off. Go around the corner, go right down the street, whatever it is. But then sit and park and wait until the ride comes in, because you're going to get a ride request that's going to come in.
Yeah.
So please don't drive. You're wasting gas. You're wasting money. Don't do that. Just pull over to the side of the road, wait until the ride comes in, pull into a parking lot, whatever it might be, wherever you are. I mean, obviously there's exceptions to that, but for the vast majority of rides, you can. If you go to an area you don't want to drive to, or, if you're trying to go somewhere else or whatever, I get that. I understand whatever your reasoning is.
Don't chase surge. Don't chase trips. Don't chase surge. Don't chase trips. They will come to you. Don't worry about it.
Exactly. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself.
Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.